Oh! Oh, you bastard! Oh! Shitty fucking weather! Oh, you fucker! Yeah, you got to get in the wrong lane, who cares, mate? Button.
What was the point in that?
Phone, yeah, that's fine. I'll take £30 compensation. But the issue still isn't resolved. I've got a sneaking suspicion. She didn't ring me back, by the way. Shock horror. I mean, what kind of lane discipline was that?
Oh, you oh, no, you don't know what you're doing now, like that.
Fucking arsehole.
Oh, where the fuck did he come from? He was in...
He was in the left-hand lane.
Yeah.
He wasn't in the two lanes that went down there. Get him. He's going to be straight back over, right? Yeah.
Take the lead into the...
That's alright. You filthy bastard. Has your car not got an ashtray? Scumbag. Take a good look at Mr. Scumbag. Couldn't be asked to put his cigarette in his own ashtray. Nice one, mate. done, but saying that's the 2nd of December, I'm not too concerned.
Yeah, I was going to say we've done well. I need to go.
One way! It's a one way, but you do what you want. That's fine.
I am.
Flipping heck. They were completely on red then, weren't they?
Yeah.
Ooh, that was very late. That blue one, lights will not let me through. Not from way back here. There we go. Couple of red light runners there. If not, at least one. Red lights.
Underneath the boat. Yeah.
But yeah.
Oh!
Oh, that was nearly a bit risky.
Why the f is that?
Oh yeah, don't bother indicating, yeah, just do what you want.
What's the indicator, Mr. Bass?
Yeah, don't bother, mate. It's fine. Guess for you. Yeah, that's tight, isn't it? Oh my god. That's falling to bits. Is that a microwave? They're using a microwave to prop it. I'm going to have to go on the curb. Stay of that. Honestly. I have mine. Alright, okay. That's fine, that was it. I couldn't remember what it was. I got you. Nice Jaguar.
G 1930.
What was the point in that? Car going no miles an hour. If you get stuck on that, I'll laugh.
Go, what the f? Go!
Go! Just go! Oh,
They're alligator teeth, go!
Go! Oh, you are going to pop your tyre.
Go!
No,
You
no, don't do that. Stop doing that. Just go. Oh, are you taking the piss? God, I thought that was it for me.